Dr. Malviya, please wait for a second. Thank you.
We have been talking so much about rivers and others. I want to take you back what the discussion we had in the morning. Why we need I am trying to find the history with the advent of the new technologies. I have found very seriously there are a lot of lacunas of our history written by the Britishers. Britishers have tried to paint us in such a way that we were very backward, useless people in the world, and so many things they have written about.
I think you should use mic. Dr. Malviya, please use mic.
Yeah. They have written so many things about us, which is derogatory remarks, and some of our leaders have been painted. You will be surprised to know that Rani Jhansi was called Rakt Pishachini till 1907. She has been prefected. There are literature available, and then we found out So we thought of, I'm audible? Yeah. So we thought of, I was a communication engineer working on antennas for more than 40 years. But every time, whenever I was reading history, it was my burning desire that our thing should be put in the right perspective, and we should develop something which we can bring to Indian people what our forefathers have done for us. So we found that in the age of latest technology, the website may be a very powerful medium where we can reach to many, many people and to many people in India. But again, there was a problem. Every website has been developed in English. So how many people know the English? So we thought of developing into So we thought of developing into Indian languages to reach to larger audience. So first we tried with Hindi because most people know about Hindi. So this first experiment is from the Hindi, and then
सर ये पॉइंटर ये नीचे से अप डाउन नीचे से अप डाउन
अच्छा और लाइट वोटेड कहाँ से होगा?
ये लाइट ये है आप इसको दबा दो इसको नहीं
ये ना?
हाँ
हमारा बैकग्राउंड ऐसा है इसलिए नहीं दिख रहा. So after this experiment, what we are doing at present is Hindi. We are successful, and I am very confident we will be successful in this. Then we are trying to go for in the other Indian languages also. So we are not going to just throw it. So our aim is using technology to convey the right history. Kranti 1857 selected as this event as a high-yield report. The Britishers have tried to put in such or they have lost their titles and other things, they only fought for this. They never showed that of the Bengal presidency army, 90% of the people had revolted. 90% of the Bengal presidency army revolted against them. Each and every kingdom revolted against them, but only there were few people with them, those who defeated us. So they have not in a right perspective, they have put everything. So we thought of, should start Kranti 1857, the first thing, and then if we go ahead, then we can put the whole thing in the right perspective. Why it is not going back? क्यों नहीं जा रहा? हाँ, बस यहाँ रखिए. Britishers have depicted that particular community. Here I want to bring to you the Britishers have what they have done. They have again. No, not advanced technology. Before that, yes. What they have done, they have told one particular community supported them, and that was with a intention. They have told like this. Reams of papers you can find. The British authors have written that then one particular community was not supported the 1857. That is not true. That is what we want to bring out this thing. Everybody, every community, every race in our country revolted against them. I can quote some of this thing, that it was not only Rani Jhansi or Tatya Tope or Nana Sahab or Bahadur Shah Zafar. There was even Jhalkari Bai. Jhalkari Bai, a Dalit woman, was also there. There was a Hapshin in Lucknow who she used to kill British people. They have not reported all these incidences, which we want to bring it to everybody's notice, and we have put on the websites. Next slide. So advanced technologies like satellite communication, internet have made the situation more complex. What I have told, because they have got access to all these things, they have put, everybody reach that, and they say, yes, they are true. It is not like that. That's why to nullify their effects, we are trying to do all these things. So we have tried to aware the people of India. Tried to the people of India that revolt was throughout India and not subjected to central India as reported. They have only told that the people in India, except in some part of UP, part of a slight part of MP and Bihar, they only revolted. That is what British history says. They are never told in Gujarat also it happened. The people in Gujarat also revolted against them. In South also they revolted. In Jharkhand, Ranchi, all those people also revolted against them. So it is not true, and we want to bring a clear picture to everybody. This is a white light. So we have to make the people of India understand the supreme sacrifice of the freedom fighters, and their stories will inculcate patriotism in them. So around 150 books, 250 documents related to 1857 throughout India has been uploaded. We have collected these documents, have been collected throughout length and breadth of the India, and we have on our website. So still we want to put, I will appeal to in the audience, if somebody has got any other material on this, please give it to us. We will try to put it on this. Thank you. Thank you. Several historians, eminent personalities have been interviewed, and their inputs also. Yes, sir. Madam.
To school curriculum, right? Website is one thing.
Yeah, your question is really appealing, because as a Rotarian, I am working for the school also. So I am finding this difficulty. There, what happens, the government, this regulation comes into picture. So I cannot go and start doing this thing. E-learning is there. I can give CDs to them for e-learning, but government restrictions comes into picture. So as a free citizen, at least I can put my views on my website, and if required, I can give CDs, copies of CDs to everybody.
I would like to ask you a question, sir. I am sorry first to say that I beg to differ a little with you on this issue. Firstly, because you are going on the fringes of a militancy, you know, who did what 100 years back, how, is the youth really interested in that today? You know, what we have been trying to hear throughout the day was what the rich heritage we had without getting into chauvinistic mode anytime. This, you know, we don't need to be militant to prove to world that somebody did something wrong to us 100 years back. So we are going to expose them today. Is the youth really interested in
No,
doing
no,
that?
no, no. We are not, this is not the way of doing the thing. First, we
Okay.
should know what was the thing. It is not only militancy. It is not only militancy. What technology was used at that time? What technology was used at that
Technology
time?
for torture.
Not for torture.
Yeah.
Don't take it that way. There was, do you know what was the failure? It was the technology which made the failure.
Yeah, it's
No,
simple,
no,
you know.
I will,
yeah.
I will reply you. I will reply you, please. Just a minute, I will reply him first, then I will take your question. Telegraph was the technology by which Britishers could pass the information which the Indians were not having.
Hello.
Telegraph was a technology. So unless until you know the telegraph was at that time.
Hello.
Oh, who says it was not there? No, telegraph, there were lines were there, I am telling you. Yeah.
I'm an associate professor of history.
Yes.
And there's a lot which needs to be supported by evidence. Now you are saying telegraphs were there. Now for your knowledge, telegraphs were started after the railways were introduced. Railways were introduced in 1850.
Yes.
Telegraph services were only from Harle to Bodhibandar. That's all. Not throughout
No.
India. Please, that's the
No, no, military had, and if you read those books in Ambala, that only one, there is a book, I will give you that reference also. There was a telegram sent to them in Ambala Camp, which was that stopped the whole military coming from that side. That was the end of it. It is written by, not by Indians, I think this is written by British people. This is
Hello.
the evidence I can tell you.
हेलो हेलो हाँ एक्चुअली मैं इसका है जो सेकंड ऑथर हूँ ये इसका जो भाव बेसिकली ये था कि 1857 की 150th एनिवर्सरी 2007 में मनाई थी तो उस समय हमने ये जो फील किया कि 1857 के बारे में जो लिटरेचर है वो स्कैटर्ड है, बिखरा हुआ है, कोई अगर इसका डिटेल जानना चाहे तो अवेलेबल नहीं है। तो हम इस टेक्नोलॉजी में काम कर रहे थे वेबसाइट बनाने की, तो हमने कहा कि इसके ऊपर हिंदी में वेबसाइट बनाई जाए। तो वो वेबसाइट बनाने का उद्देश्य, टेक्नोलॉजी का उद्देश्य, टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करके वो मटेरियल सब हमने इकट्ठा किया। जैसे मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि साउथ में, ये तमिलनाडु में, केरल में, आंध्र प्रदेश में और उन राज्यों में 1857 में क्या हुआ था इसको किसी को पता नहीं है। तो हमने क्या किया कि वो भी उस पर एक 500 पेज की किताब निकली थी, वो सब इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने उसमें डाल दी। मतलब तो उसका उद्देश्य ये था कि ये सब इन्फॉर्मेशन एक जगह अवेलेबल रहे और आज के ज़माने में कोई भी कहीं पे देख सके। 50,000 लोगों ने इस वेबसाइट को अभी पूरे वर्ल्ड में देखा है। इस वेबसाइट के माध्यम से जो तात्या टोपे थे उनके पड़ पोते हैं, एक ये पंकज टोपे, उन्होंने यूएसए में वो साइट देखी थी, उनसे हमारा कांटेक्ट हो गया। तो और कितने, जो आपने पूछा था कि स्कूल के बच्चों को कैसे सिखाया जाए, तो गुजरात में जैसे 4-5 स्कूल है, वहाँ पे उनको पता है, वो इस वेबसाइट को दिखाते हैं और बच्चों को बताते हैं। कुछ 4-5 लोगों ने उस पर ये पीएचडी का मटेरियल उसमें से डाउनलोड किया था और उन्होंने उसको यूज़ किया था। मतलब तो थोड़ी जागृति आ रही है लोग के बारे में। तो हमारा भाव यही था कि वेबसाइट बनाने से पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन एक जगह अवेलेबल होगी और हमारा क्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, इंडियंस का, ब्रिटिशर्स का क्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, तो वो दोनों एक जगह अवेलेबल होना चाहिए।